Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today on Kishas Dream, I'm going to teach you all how to do a low puff on a medium length for C hair. So right now I had my cornrows on and I'm braiding it. Mind you, I did that myself too. I'll teach you all very soon how to do that. Now that I'm done taking it down, let me show you all the things that I'll be using today. I will need this brush, a white tooth comb, and a detangling brush with this small comb. I'll also use this hair pomade from African Best and Shining Jam Gel. Yeah, so let's just get into it. First, I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. I decided to pull the thing closer so that you all could see. After parting it into 4 sections, I'll moisturize with my water and coconut oil. Make sure you get that water into the hair. Make sure you moisturize the hair so well. Then after moisturizing, I'll use my detangling brush to also detangle the hair. After detangling the hair, just apply a little amount of your hair cream into the hair. Now this thing was just not ready to open up. Finally, just apply a little amount in the detangle section and then move on to the next one. The same process, you moisturize, then you detangle and you apply your hair pomade. You can either leave it in twist or you just clip it, or also use something to hold it still, just to help you deal with the whole hair, you know what I mean? Yeah, so the same process. Now let's get to business. So I'm going to take the gel and apply it to each section. After application, I'll just tie it all together. So just watch the process. Dealing with the first section now. This gel is actually good for 4C hair. You see how my hair was thick, but it was still able to hold it together, and that was very amazing. I really love the consistency in it, and also the smell is amazing. It smells so good. So you're just going to do this, and then after brushing it through the gel through the hair, you use something to tie it. Anything that you use to tie your hair that makes you feel comfortable, so use that to tie it like I am doing, so that we can move on to the next section. Same process for the next section. My hair is quite thick, so I applied a lot of gel to get it together, but the gel was so good. It's very good. It's my first time trying the Shining Jam Gel though. Yeah, and I think it's very amazing. You all should try it on your hair. So the same process, you brush through with your brush, and then after brushing everything together, you take out the band that you used for the first section and then tie it all together. Now to the front section, I needed to get my mirror closer so that I can see what I'm doing to myself. My goodness. Anyway, so you take your time, you apply a gel, you brush through, tie them together. Same process. I decided to zoom a little closer so that you all could see how this gel is good, and also how I'm doing everything very clearly. Now I'm going to tie all together so that I can move to the other side. Onto the other side, yeah, the same thing. Can you all see that? I really love this gel. It really didn't disappoint at all. For the front section, you part it into two. That is if you want the line there, but if you want to just go all back, that's fine. But I wanted this, so just part it into two, and I'll work on one side, then I'll move to the other side after. Yo, can you all see that? Damn. No, but I'm already looking fine. I'm already looking good. Just brush that in. Do that vigorously. And then you tie all together again. And that's it. Our low puff is set. You can decide to add different hair at the end, or if it's like this, natural, and go your way. It's very simple and easy. Yes. And so my hair shrinks a lot when I spray water into it, so it's normal to see it like this. Now let's just cover it up, just make it more smoother. Yeah, so I just cover it up for like maybe 30 minutes, go do my rounds, and that is it. Fine girl. I hope you all like this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Love you all.